In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Sierra chart data. By the end, you'll have a clean text file containing your bar data, open, high, low, close, and volume, that you can open directly in Excel for analysis, reporting, or backtesting. First, make sure the chart you want to export is open and active in Sierra Chart. Click into the exact chart window you plan to use so the platform knows which data to export. Double-check that it shows the correct symbol and time frame, whether that's daily bars, 5-minute bars, or any other interval. If you've just changed symbols or time frames, give Sierra Chart a moment to load all the data so your export includes everything you expect. Next, look at the menu along the top of the platform. Click Edit, then choose Export Bar Data to Text File. This command tells Sierra Chart to gather the bar data from the chart you're viewing and package it into a simple text file. It's a direct export of the bar information, not your indicators or drawings, so you get a clean numerical data set to work with. When the Save dialog opens, choose a file name and a location you'll remember. A helpful tip is to include the symbol and time frame in the name, like ES5min or AAPL daily, so it's easy to identify later. Pick a folder you use for projects or data, desktop, documents, or a dedicated market data folder, and confirm the file type is a text file. Then click Save. If you're overwriting an older export, you may be prompted to confirm that. Go ahead if that's what you intend. Sierra Chart will now write the bar data to the file. For larger histories, this can take a moment. When it's done, you'll have a plain text file with columns for date and time, followed by open, high, low, close, and volume. You can open this directly in Excel. If the columns don't line up perfectly on the first try, use Excel's text import options and select the correct delimiter so each field lands in its own column. After that, you're ready to sort, filter, chart, or run your own calculations. That's all there is to it. Open the chart you want, use Edit, Export Bar Data to Text File, choose a clear file name and location, and you'll have a tidy OHLCV dataset ready for Excel. This quick export is a reliable way to snapshot your chart's data for audits, research, and any custom workflows you rely on.